Hi guys, and I just there's a thing that I'm gonna be going on movie one that gonna be going in different games too. I changed my name to Power Lachlan because I also want to practice my aim. We're gonna go in free build. Oh no, not free build, not free build. Aim training, yes. No, cancel. Cancel the freaking game! No. What do I do, guys? What do I do? What do I do? Yep, I'm in the game. I'm in the game. I'm in the game. Is the guy sweat? He's a freaking sweat! No! No! He booga! No! The guy is freaking booga! He's booga! That's him. He is booga! Get him, dude! He's booga! I said I wanna fuck it, but you don't. Stop! You want? I swear I'm gonna put them in the finger at you. Okay. Guys, no webcam video today. I don't feel like doing a webcam. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. Guys, by the way, I am recording on Twitch. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. So, by the way, my milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Stop walking!
7-10 minutes. Okay, 7-10 minutes and we'll go to mountains. We're going to the mountains in 7-10 minutes. You want to go feed names and then we'll go? Do you want to go to the mountains? Yeah. This is going to be fun.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. I need to break these builds. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than. Okay. Let's sing. Let's see my aim. Oh, soft. I'm not gonna spray because I don't want it. Okay, I might have missed shots. Guys, I have auto shooting now. Forget I said that because I'm holding it. My milkshake brings all the boys to the ground. They're like, I'm better than yours. Okay, why are you not dead yet? Do have 300 HP? Or is it just okay? I'm gonna spray now. I'm not even gonna talk. What the hell? What the hell? My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. I am bigger. That's him. So I was just 1v1ing Booga, by the way. And the guy freaking hit me for 190. He had aimbot, I swear. He had aimbot. This is Jarvis aim. This is how Jarvis was aiming. I'm not even. What? 2 headshots. I mean, I've hit more than. And I'm not even gonna bullshit ground. Hey, like, I'm better. What am I that? Oh, headshot. Headshot only from here. Okay. Boom! Headshot from there. My milkshake brings the balls to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. I was just spraying, and I hit 24 headshots. My milkshake brings the balls to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the balls to the ground. Hey, like, better than yours. I come back in 3 months and I'm posting in this video like 3 months. My milkshake brings the bus to the ground. Like, I've changed my name multiple times. Already know. I already killed 23 and I have 26 to go to. You fucking kidding me? No, let's put this loud. Oh, the gunshot! The freaking gunshot! The gun! Let's see. Let's spray me from there. I at least have to have a headshot. Like, I at least have maybe 2 headshots in one thing. I had 3 then. Okay, I had like 1 then. Don't blame me. Cause I'm better than you. Okay, 3. I can't aim. How am I not shooting? Okay. My milkshake. My milkshake brings up to the ground here like I'm better than yours. I would say 2, but I'm ready to charge. My milkshake brings up the bus to the ground. My milkshake brings up the bus to the ground. My milkshake brings up the bus to the. What the? Okay. My milkshake brings up the bus to the ground. Hey, like better than yours. My milkshake brings all the fucking bills. What am I saying? I want to stop swearing. Well, I'm not even swearing really. Well, okay, I've been swearing. Auto. Can I no scope him? It doesn't auto shoot. See, I'm literally. I hit 0. Why, you mother trucker? I'm hitting a shot. I hit him. I no scope him. No! Holy! I hit him. You see that? 298. That's close to 300 damage. 200 punched him in the head. 200 punched him in the head. I'm better than yours. My milkshake springs to the boost to the ground. Hey, like, I'm better than yours. You know what? This game is kind of better than 1v1 that LOL. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, come on, shoot him! Oh my god, you double top. And then let me just do the pickaxe. Yep, you just got pickaxe. I just shot you. Too fucking. I said the wrong thing I shouldn't be saying. Mine. Oh! No, you get a pop. I'm gonna start asking myself questions. Well, I mean, you guys are asking me questions in the Twitch live stream. When this is out, this video is out, I might be ending this. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Yum. My milkshake brings the booze to the ground. Hey, like I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the booze to the ground. Hey, like I'm better than yours. My milkshake. Headshot. I'm Maka. My milkshake. What the fuck are you? Have I done it? Yeah, I've done it. Oh, my milkshake bringing the to the ground. Oh, more, no, no. Okay, I haven't showed you my aim, okay? So I've showed you my aim that I am a good aimer. My milkshake bringing the to the ground. To maybe end the build now, GG. I have to try and finish an edit. Okay, guys, let's try and do a challenge. Let's see how long I can edit. Count in this in your head. I'm trying to see if you can try and count how much I've been able to do. I messed up editing before. I should call myself this. One minute to do. Is it Rift in a gang? I mean, no, it's not a clan. Oh my god, I just clipped you. I'm just gonna clip you. How many in Minecraft? These are the worst games I've ever saw in my life. Bad habits allow that I Are we just gonna play this for a few minutes and then I'm just gonna play my Roblox account for a little day. My milkshake brings out the boys to the ground. Hey, like I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings out the boys to the ground. Hey, look at them. Look at them. Damn, a burst. Damn, an XMG. Damn, a shotgun. Damn, an AR. I forgot what this thing is. That's still an AUG. That's the same gun. How's it done? It's the same gun. It's the same gun. Don't lie, in Fortnite, that's the same gun. Tell me you love me, baby. Got that 5 million V-Bucks. It's the 5,000. 930 V-Bucks. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, oh no. Don't fall. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, I'm better than yours. My milkshake brings the boys to the ground. Hella, I'm better than yours. My milkshake. Gonna put this on the couch. Put it. Ow. You so bugger bop. Okay. I'll try and at least get a kill. That was aimball. He missed his shot. Oh, shoot. So guys, I'll stop building. I'll stop recording. Guys. Actually, guys, I'm gonna end the video now. So, guys, I really now thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a good day. And then, so in 10 seconds, I'll end the video now. Now, I loved you guys so much. Bye. Bye. Wait, what the?